Hey guys, so here is my journal. I got this from Amazon. It's really cute and I guess a perfect size for me. So it's in this pastel green color. So yeah. So here the first page obviously says my name, like nothing that creative, it's my name. And then the next page is the 2021 at a glance, which is a calendar which shows all the month and the dates. So this page actually makes it really easy if I want to plan anything for the future and stuff. So yeah. And then the next page is the word of the year. Yeah, word of the year. So I chose the word as focus and I have written the meaning of it, and yes. So the next page is video ideas. So here I have a few video ideas for my YouTube and just a thought. Then comes the May bullet journal spread. So here is a cute spread inspired from Pinterest, obviously. So here I have my teeny mini calendar of May, my goals, a small thought, and my vacation to-do list, because obviously May is equal to vacation, so I obviously needed a to-do list, what all I have to do for the vacation. So yeah. And the next page is my yearly mood tracker. Like, my journal is totally not in order, so please don't mind that, because I get ideas every now and then, so I included this yearly mood tracker in here. So here I have a key where I have colors for each and every mood. Suppose purple is for happy, blue is for normal, yellow for productive, and so on. And here I have a grid which has all the dates and the months. So here the months start from May, because I started a bullet journal from May. So yeah. And then after that, again my journal is not at all in order. I suddenly pop up with my holiday homework and homework list. So this one is my work completion list, like the work which I was lagging behind it and I had to complete it. So here are they, and I have checked out all which I have done. And then in here I have my holiday homework list. So yes, I have two left. I have to do it. Okay, so now out of nowhere pops up a May calendar. So here I have, as you can see, really colorful markings. So here it's the key, like suppose I have my math tuition, so every day where you see a blue mark, there I have my math tuition. And this actually makes it really easy if I want to plan anything for May. So that's why I thought to make up a May calendar. And then here I have the things, the important events which take place in May. So it was my dad's birthday and the Mother's Day. So the next page is quite good, like something really systematic. So it is my routine page. So I thought to make up a routine. So that's what it is. I have my morning routine, my afternoon routine, and my evening with all the times mentioned. So now further, all the pages which you are gonna see are so good, like according to me it is really good. So the first page is this amazing art of mine, and the best part is that I didn't see it from anywhere. I made it on my own, so I'm really proud of me. But yeah, that's what it is. It's just a scrapbook page, you can say. And yeah, so the next one is also a really theme based page, which is the beige theme, as you can see. And fun fact that I didn't have any of these materials, and you can see this glove, like I just opened up a newspaper from long back. There I found a ad of vintage clothes and stuff, so I cut it out from there. And then these are the newspapers. This is the paper bag which you get when you go for shopping, so I tore that off. And then these are also newspaper scraps, and I made this up. So here there is a long quote which I'll just show it to you all, and you can just pause the video if you want and check it out. And then comes the next page, which is the cozy page, and this is totally self-designed. Like this page, like all the pages which I have done till, like all these pages which I have done is totally self-designed. And so the cozy page, same here, the socks are from the newspaper article. And then I have this quote which says, if the plan doesn't work, change the plan but never the goal. So yeah. And the next is the June bullet spread, because June is up here, so I thought to make up a June bullet spread which says June and a small quote and the June calendar. So the next page is like, it's quite systematic from now, because for previously I didn't know what to do, so I drew anything anywhere. So here after the June month I have the calendar. So here I chose the theme as brown, but usually I don't stay up with the theme because I get random ideas anytime, so I just jumble them up. So this is the calendar, some events and some important tasks. So the important task which I have is complete homework as soon as possible. So yes. And then I have my school to-do list. So whenever my school starts and some important projects or some tasks which I have to do, leaving the homework besides, so that would come up here. And then I have a really motivational line written by me: make sure to do it on time or else. And the or else is something totally not describable. And the next page is my habit tracker. So in the habit tracker I have my journaling, clean room, brush teeth, study, dance practice and all those stuff. So the day I complete that task, I just check them off. It makes it really easy and makes me feel a bit more productive than usual. So yeah, and this is a really cute Momo type cute character with a nice cute plant. So the next page is my artistic design. So actually this is made by me and my mom. Like some of them is by me and some of them is my mom. You might have seen this many times on Pinterest. So I actually drew this on a plain paper and I didn't know what to do with it. So I thought to make up a bullet journal page out of it. So here I just cut it out and stuck it on 2 pages. I had this black paper stuck on it, and then I have this quote saying art enables us to find ourselves and lose ourselves at the same time. So the next page is 2021 victories. So in this page I would be adding up all the victories or all the good achievements which I have done in this year. So till then I have completed 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys for that. And then high commendation award in my MUN, and then I became the school captain. So yeah, I have done that much only till now and nothing much. So I hope you all liked this bullet journal. Oh my god, the light suddenly went. So guys, that was it for my bullet journal tour, and I'll surely update you once I do something else in it. But if you want to stay regularly updated, then you can surely go check out my Instagram profile right here and follow me there for some regular my journal updates, because I usually post it on there. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, and comment down below if you like this journal, and make sure to rate it from 1 to 10. And yeah, till then, stay safe and keep watching.